I am so late in getting out my Halloween decor this year, but I wanted to share with you this very first thing that I'm putting up, which is an adorable ghost garland. As you can see, I just added it under my fall leaves that I have over my mirror, and I think it turned out absolutely adorable. So when you print this out, you get all of the ghost and all those little stars on one page. I printed out 2 for this one because I wasn't sure exactly how many I was going to need, and I didn't quite use 2 pages, but you could print out as many as you need. So you could cut this out however you want, but I thought it'd be really cute if I cut it out just outside of the black line so that you could see the black line and a little bit of white around it. The stars I decided to cut right on that black outer edge. I'm going to put the link for the printable in the description below, as well as the twine that I used to put this together. But I love a good craft, and this is a really inexpensive way to have a little fun and make something really cute. I kind of laid everything out to see how I wanted to put it on the string, and I also put little dots with a pencil where I wanted to make the holes to put, to string the string through. I mean, you could do this in the top, you could do it however you want. This is just where I decided to do it. I wish I had a little bit bigger punch. This punch is really quite small. I do have a big punch and it was just way too big. So what I did, since I really didn't have the right size, is I just made like 3 really small holes with my punch. And I have tried various ways to string these through, including taking a piece of tape and wrapping it around the string to try to get it through the hole. But ultimately, the easiest way that I have found to do this is to use a needle. And I will link also the needles that I use because you need a pretty big eye on your needle to be able to get that twine through there. So if you're interested in any of that, I'll just put it in the description. But it's a super easy way to string them together. So I hope that it adds a little fun to your Halloween decor.